So we have a Payroll Canada system. So this would be part of your system if you would want payroll. It's quite straightforward. So you have something called Salaried Tracking, and you can have each member here. The member information would have to be added in the common area. Those are the employees. And you can have their salary information between dates. So if they have increase of salary happening after a certain year, you can add that, so and choose the effective from. And all this information are available from the Canada's personal deduction calculator. So you have to enter only this information on the salary info side. But for every pay period, we have something called periodic payroll. And all you have to do is, I've done for the month of March, so let's do it here. Let's say a month of April, and click on the currency. So the system will automatically use that calculation to do your CPPEI and all your regular pay, your total net pay and all that, based on the salary info that you entered. So you don't have to do it every 2 weeks. The system will automatically do that calculation for you. And if you're happy with the numbers, all you have to do is click on this, and it would be finalized and it's posted to the AP. If you go to the AP module quickly, I just wanted to show, and look at bills, you can see that all the payroll information are here. So you would know who's being paid and where the amount has to go out. So that way it's integrated like that. And all we have to do is select the pay period and click on save. Yeah. And you can always come back here and see for this date who has been paid and all that information. It's always a record is there for you. So the 13th and every 2 weeks, right? So 27th kind of deal. Also, you have the benefits. If you'd like to keep a record of benefits, you have a benefit type, different benefits you can set up. And recurring benefits, you could set it up so automatically the system would use that to generate benefits for users, like if it's a bonus or if it's and the periodic benefits as well, you can set it up. It's similar to payroll, where benefits are being done, which needs to be paid to the insurance company or anything like that, so that could be done here as well. So that's the Payroll Canada. We have something called pay slip as well. So you can have a pay slip you can print out for each employee. Having said that, I wanted to quickly talk about the PAP file. So this is our TD PAP file that we have generated. So this is automatically done based on the invoices, and this is the header information here, and this is the name of the customers which has been encrypted, and this would be an identification for us. This is payment 1, payment 2, and the payment ID and kind of thing. And if they have bank account and the PAP account number and all that information is over here, I've zeroed it out. So, and the end here is the amount. So it's $57.90.
This is the TD file, like formatted file?
It is TD formatted file, yeah.
TD, okay.
Yeah. So all we have to do is just send it to TD, and they would do the pre-authorized payments against these guys for the accounts, and send us back information, which we can format it and upload it into our system. And then we would apply it against all these payments that were supposed to be received, and we can see if there anything is NSF or so that's how the PAP would work. I was hoping to take another few minutes of your time to show how we could create a new screen with Audit Trail. It's good to have an idea. So you go to the administration module, and under client tier, you have screen definition. So this is where you create a screen, you create your business rules, you create everything. So we give this to a developer or any user who wants to learn this, it's quite simple. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just saying to use the master table. That's the table that we set up, and this is where the audit trail comes. So as soon as you click on this, every change that is done.
So basically, any screen that you think is sensitive for you to know exactly who did what, just one click of that checkbox, and then you will know everything that anybody has ever changed in that screen.
These are just update information for the screen and all that. And you can click on save. New screen has been created. So that's how easy it is. Now you can go to your object IDE. It's as easy like, you could just pull your fields around and place it where you want. So like that. Just setting up the way you want. And you have an option of just viewing it just to make sure how it looks quickly. Okay, so I think
this is perfect.
This is okay. So now we can add it to our menu. It's right here. Let's just pull it down here. So earlier we did not have the screen.
And you can set the menu permission as well.
You can even tell who can view this particular menu screen over here, and say grant.
So you can dictate who can do what, when.
So now, so we've gone through the process of creating a screen within 5 minutes. So this screen is here right now. So this is audit. So the audit would show you information on what's happened. So that's the idea.